I managed to save 79% of my income in the month of July. I've already shared my expenses and investments in this video. I'll link up above and down in the description box below if you've not caught it. Let's break down July's income together. As usual, I have 8 income streams, and let's start from the smallest, then work our way upwards. Let's go. The smallest income stream for this month is dividends, where I got $12.95 from Capital Land Ascenders REIT. I'm still holding on to the 200 units I've bought in 2023 when I first started building my dividend portfolio and have not added more since. Interest income, Marybank Interest Boost paid me $112 for stashing $50,000 in there for over 2 months, May and June, bringing the net return to 3.5% per annum. Astro 8 bond pays 4.35% per annum, and I got $258.86 for investing $12,000 in it. And all others was just cash stashed in a high-yield bank savings account, bringing my total interest income for the month to $540.13. This video is not sponsored, but if you're looking for a sign-up deal to make your money work for you in this low interest rate environment, today is the last day. If you have $2,000 sitting around, Longbridge Singapore and MAS licensed investment platform current new user promotion is offering close to $200 worth of sign-up rewards. When you sign up using my exclusive link down in the description box below or scan this QR code over here, deposit the $2,000, you'll get $18 exclusively and a total of 12% interest boost on the $2,000 deposited into Longbridge Cash Plus, a money market fund. And if you go a step further by holding the funds there for 30 days and fulfill the requirements, you get half an Nvidia share now worth USD $180. And of course, if you deposit more and fulfill the respective requirements, you can get up to $800 worth of sign-up rewards. As a Longbridge user, we enjoy lifetime commission-free trades in the US, Hong Kong, and Singapore stock market, not forgetting the trading cash coupons to offset the platform fees as well. I bought into a Singapore stock the other day and only had to pay the SGX-related fees. If you're still looking for a platform to start your investment journey, try out Longbridge Singapore today. I'll leave more details down in the description box below. Let's get back into today's video. Let's go. Next is digital products. The exact same template I use to manage all, I literally mean all my money, is available for you to purchase too if you like. Ever since I swapped out of Excel to this Notion tracker, it has made recording my expenses a breeze. After spending money, I simply just double tap the back of my iPhone or press this shortcut on my iPhone homepage and lock in that expense, making tracking and budgeting so much easier than before. I come into this page weekly and check my progress thus far for the month, ensuring I don't spend over my budget, and it also helps me to keep track of my target savings rate. And in July, I made $654.47 from this income stream. Cashback. I know cashback is not income, but no way am I going back to every single transaction, take that expense minus the cashback received, so this is just how I recognize it for simplicity. You can move on from this segment if you want to, but I spent half the month of July in Jeju, and as you guys know, Trust Cashback credit card is what I use whenever I'm abroad to get the best exchange rates for our Singapore dollars, and I accumulated a total of $12.32. If you don't care about earning miles overseas, then by default, the Trust Cashback credit card should be your go-to for the following reasons. It has 0 foreign currency exchange fees, 1% cashback on spending outside of that one category selected, and it works like a credit card, so you only pay when your statement is due, and there's no annual fees for owning this credit card. When you guys sign up using my referral code, you and I both get a sure win scratch card that gives us a minimum of $5 and a chance to win up to $1,000. This is not an official partnership with Trust Bank. If you are a customer, you hold any of their products, you would also have your own unique referral code which you can share with your friends and family as well. HSBC Everyday Global Savings Account is what I use to pay off my credit card bills via Giro, and it pays me 1% cashback for this month in July, and I got a total of $51.55. AdSense revenue for uploading 4 YouTube videos in June paid me $903.18. Some aspect of this is also passive in a way that older videos that still get views contributes a little to the AdSense revenue too. Other income for selling stuff on Carousel was a total of $1,408.60. Sponsorships was $1,600, and affiliate income for working with brands I use on an everyday basis and sharing them with you guys paid me $10,400, bringing my total income for July to $20,259.63. After deducting my expenses for the month, my savings rate is at 79%. This is for July, but in the month of August, I've actually been doing a lot of planning for the rest of the year and also early next year. Expenses in the month of August is going to be really high, which I'll share with you guys really soon on the channel. If you want to find out more about how I earn from affiliate income, I did cover a small section of it in this video. I'll link it up above and down in the description box below. But that's all for today's video. I'm glad that thus far for 2025, my savings rate has been pretty consistent at above my target of 70%. If you want to connect a little bit further with me, you can join my Telegram community. You can scan this QR code over here, or I'll put a link down in the description box below. As usual, have a great week ahead, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.